One more easy. One more easy. Forward paddle. Stop. Left turn, easy. Up. Forward paddle. Stop. One more. Left turn. Never mind. Oh yeah. Left turn. Go, go, go. Left turn. Yes. Woo! Left turn. Now you stop. Hey, left turn. Paddle hard. Go. Hey, stop! I think you might be having a tendency to go around the front of the boat. Keep your paddle straight, okay? Hey, got some fish!
Oh yeah! That was fun. I like that. That like so
That was
great. We're gonna add one more cable. We had cables and tombstone, right? So we had
No, just cables.
What
Yeah.
was this one?
This is, that's Tequila Chute. Okay, we gotta paddle across the river over here. Stop. Hey, that's good stop. Yeah, we definitely got a little sideways. We didn't paddle in,
cool.
but then we got a little sideways. I'm like, I guess we're good.
Yeah, it was like coming up over us. It was nice.
That was awesome. We going that way? Or straight?
Yeah, we're going that way. That's nothing. I don't know what's there. A bunch of branches. Hey, forward two. Gary, is my light on? I asked you this a million times.
Yeah, it's on.